Hello everyone, welcome again to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily move any of the email conversation to spam. Even you can automate the process for the future emails as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I am on my Gmail inbox and looks, cluttered so much emails. So I don't want to have few emails that I have currently in my inbox right now. So I can show you, I'll show you two ways how you can uh, move any of the email conversation to spam, or maybe you can delete those automatically. So let's see. First option is choose the email conversation or open any of the emails from that same sender. So what you can do is you can click on this three dot. Of course, there are options to block in a specific sender, but I'm not showing you how you can block here. What I'm going to show you is you can click on filter message like this. Okay, so there are a few options that you can see. What you can do is you can select from email if you already know the email, so you can do so. You can create the filter, you can select the actions that you want to perform, so mark it as read, skip it, maybe directly delete it, and create filter. That you can do is, so another step is go to your settings, click on see all settings, go to filters and block messages, click on create new filter, and here what you can do is, let's say I don't want some promotional emails. So I think you might have already noticed that almost all of the promotional emails you'll find unsubscribe at the end of the emails. So what I'm trying to do is I'm asking Gmail, hey Gmail, if you find this word in any of the emails that comes to me, what you'll do is you will skip the inbox and you will archive it, or what I can do is I can delete it. Okay, so for my case I want to mark all of this red, or maybe what you can also do is you can categorize different into your different category based on the category that you will create. Okay, so here of course you can level it as well, but for now I'm not going to do any of the actions right now. So but yeah, once you select the actions, just hit create filter. That's it. Cool. Thanks everyone for watching.